Riffs course. What you just heard is something called riffs. A riff is a short musical phrase that is repeated several times, like this one. Or this one. It's usually played on the guitar in, for example, rock or blues. The difference between a riff and a lick is that a riff is generally used as a key part of a song, while a lick is something that you use while improvising or jamming. The opening guitar part to Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple is probably the most famous guitar riff out there, and that repeated guitar phrase is what made that song so iconic. In this course, you'll learn some awesome and very useful riffing techniques. Nail them, and you'll be able to play the most iconic guitar riffs out there. Let's start by learning some one-string riffs. As the name indicates, these riffs are played on just one string, like this one. One great thing about the one-string riff is that you can add the open string between notes to make it even more interesting. A lot of famous riffs are created this way, and it's a very good way to start practice riffing. Enjoy the next lesson. We'll see you soon.